Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite your crafting recipes in Heartopia. So if you go to your watch and go to recipes here, you can actually favorite them according to you, I guess. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But basically, for instance, you want to favorite this joinery partition wall, you're just going to select it and you're going to press the favorite button. You can also switch to the model to see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And if you go to favorites, you'll see it there as well. So you don't have a lot of recipes and you're trying to figure out where it is. So just favorite it like that. Um, okay, so switch to the material, and then you can favorite it there. So yeah, that is how you can favorite your crafting recipes in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.